My name is Eric Nkira. I'm a performing arts teacher for 10 years now. I'm here to talk about circle of attention. What happens to actors when they're on stage? When you're too conscious of the audience, so many things happen. You make so many mistakes when you're too conscious of the audience. One, you might exaggerate your actions. Two, you might perform with mechanical actions. And mechanical actions are actions that are not believable, they're not real. So how do you destroy this idea of having the audience in your mind? Then something we introduce, we call a circle of attention. And we start with a small circle of attention, which is, most of the time it's called solitude in public. It's called solitude in public. Now, you can be able to create a smaller circle of concentration within a larger circle of concentration. And that means that you give some element of solitude in public, a small circle of concentration to an actor. Then, whatever the actor does on stage, he or she keeps on moving with a smaller circle of concentration. And as time goes by, the actor can be able to see the other larger circle of concentration. Now, there's so many other ways to do this. We have inner circle of concentration, and we have external circle of concentration. External circle of concentration, an actor concentrates on an object or material things. The inner circle of concentration, then the actor creates an imaginary life. Now, for example, see this phone, I can create a circle of concentration, an external circle of concentration using the phone. That means I'll take my time, look at the phone, create a relationship between me and the phone. So whatever I do with this phone, how I look at it, my emotions as I look at it, that is external circle of concentration. And that is what creates an interesting story. The audience will create a relationship and identify with the phone. And from there, they follow the story from there. And for me as an actor, I'll be able to truthfully act my piece of performance. Now, sometimes we also do that with our inner thoughts. But how do you do that? You have to be connected with your five senses. That is touch, sight,